In the world of fitness, sometimes the simplest ideas are the most revolutionary. Forget all the complicated equipment or spending hours at the gym. What if the key to a stronger body and a calmer mind was just a single static hold for 60 seconds a day? Okay, let's dive into this, because we're about to break down what really happens when you commit to a 1-minute plank every single day. I mean, it's the classic problem, right? We've all been there. Your calendar is absolutely jammed, and finding a whole hour for a workout just feels impossible. It's a real issue, but the best solution isn't about finding more time. It's about using less time way more effectively. And that's it. 1 single minute. The plank is kind of the ultimate life hack for a busy schedule. It's this absolute powerhouse of an exercise that gives you a ton of benefits in just a tiny sliver of your day. Seriously, 60 seconds is all it takes to start laying the foundation for a stronger you. And listen, that is no exaggeration at all. We are talking about a daily habit so potent, it can fundamentally transform not just your body, but your mind as well. So let's get specific. Let's break down exactly what those transformations look like, one benefit at a time. Okay, first up, the big one, building a stronger, more resilient core. Just think of your core as the central pillar for your entire body. When it's solid and stable, everything else, from your posture to your power, just works better. Now, this is where it gets really interesting, because we're putting planks head-to-head with an old-school move like the crunch. And fitness experts pretty much all agree, the plank wins. And here's why. Crunches only isolate a small part of your abs, and they can put some serious strain on your spine. Planks, on the other hand, engage and strengthen your entire core, all without that dangerous pressure. So here's the bottom line. A stronger core means a healthier, happier back, period. A daily plank, done right, dramatically reduces your risk of back injury. It strengthens the muscles that support your back, which can help ease existing pain, and it improves your posture, whether you're sitting at your desk or just walking down the street. All right, let's keep going, because this is about so much more than just preventing injuries. A truly strong core is the real secret to defining your midsection and, honestly, unlocking a level of strength you probably didn't even know you had. And this shows you exactly why. See, a plank isn't just an ab exercise, not even close. It's basically a full body challenge hiding in plain sight. It fires up every major muscle in your core, all at the same time. Your obliques on the sides, your abdominals in the front, the muscles in your back, and yep, even your glutes. It's a total core workout in one single move. And here's the game-changing part, that ripple effect. As your plank gets stronger, you are going to notice a significant boost in your other exercises. For anyone who hits the gym, that means heavier, more stable squats and deadlifts. And hey, as a fantastic bonus, all that glute activation in the plank helps build a stronger backside too. All right, on to our next benefit, supercharging your metabolism. That's right, that simple 60-second hold doesn't just build muscle, it turns your body into a more efficient calorie-burning engine all day long. The secret behind this metabolic boost is that a plank is what's called a compound exercise. And all that really means is that it forces multiple large muscle groups to all work together at once, which is the absolute key to maximizing your calorie burn. It's a really beautiful, simple chain reaction. When you engage all those muscles at the same time, you burn far more calories than you would with a simple move like a crunch. And over time, building that lean muscle mass naturally just elevates your resting metabolism. Okay, let's shift gears to a benefit you can literally feel in every single step you take, your balance and your stability. Seriously, think about it. Have you ever tried to stand on one leg and you find yourself wobbling all over the place after just a few seconds? You might be surprised what that little wobble is actually telling you. If you're feeling unsteady, it's not a personal failing. It's a really clear signal from your body. That wobble is often a sign that your core muscles just aren't strong enough to provide the stability you need. A strong core is basically the anchor for your balance. And improving your balance isn't just about not tripping. It gives you more confidence and stability in all your daily movements. And it provides a massive performance advantage in any athletic activity you enjoy, from running to yoga to tennis. So far, we've covered all the incredible physical benefits. But this last one, well, this one is arguably the most surprising because it has nothing to do with muscle and everything to do with your mind. This quote really captures it perfectly. Planking isn't just a physical exercise, it's a neurological one, which makes it this uniquely powerful tool for improving your overall mood. So how does it actually work? Well, planks gently stretch the very muscle groups that tend to tighten up and hold stress, like your shoulders and back after a long day of sitting. This physical release of tension sends a signal to your brain to calm down, and some studies even show it can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. So there you have it, a stronger core, a faster metabolism, better balance, and a clearer mind, all from one exercise. We've seen the proof, the only thing left is to put it into practice. This is the 1-minute challenge, and the rules are as simple as the exercise itself. Just commit to holding one 60-second plank every single day for 1 month. That's it. See what happens. See how you feel. And this brings us right back to where we started. This whole thing proves it was never about trying to find a spare hour. It's about recognizing the immense power you can unlock by making time for just one focused, intentional minute. So the final question isn't for me to answer, it's for you. After hearing all of this, what do you think 30 days of this simple, consistent habit could do for you? There's really only one way to find out.